This thing's rusty, but it is nice looking and old school. I'm not sure. The ECU, I guess, is useless, worthless, whatever. For me, it's just yeah, these were intact, including these bits, that section there. Those all intact. Everything's pretty good. Coin tray here. The windows, excellent. The door cards I'm thinking of take and sell. Yeah, rust was the main issue for this car. There's the wheels. Rust was the main issue. They've got to it. So the lights are not very good anymore. It's all pretty much destroyed. This top cover is also cracked. And if you want any of these, I might have like a whole bunch of these replacement parts, brand new in boxes and stuff. Not sure what else to take from this car, to be honest. Not sure what parts are worth overseas. The seat was in, the rear seat was in excellent condition. Carpet's a bit messy, but it's washable. The rear seat bench and the seat belts excellent condition. Yeah, maybe a little dirty. The front ones might have a little fade, but yeah, great, perfect conditions. The seats, the seat belts. I think mechanism. They never had the roll mechanism then, I guess. But this video must be getting a bit long too. So yeah, 1984. So little bits and pieces, door trim, sure.